Just got to change this plug on this video, on this sander. It's got a European one on it, and I need to put an English one on it. I'm just going to cut this wire off. And get rid of that. You don't want to be cutting into the... It's only a 2 wire because it's got no earth, it's a protected device, so it makes it a bit easier. You just want to cut enough off so you got plenty of room, don't cut into the insulation. So I'll just get a screwdriver. So obviously you got the gripper, just undo it until it's as far as that, and then well, you don't want it to fall out, but so blue, BL, bottom left, brown, bottom right, BR. Doing this at a bit of an awkward angle for the camera. So. Anyway, you want to make sure that all the outer insulation is right inside. You're not allowed to have this wire sticking out. So then cut it to roughly where you need it. So I'm going to say there. This is 2.5mm, so we'll try it on the 2.5 first. Nothing, move it down one. At some point you should just get enough grip to pull it off. You don't need too much off. I haven't bought my electrical screwdriver, I'll try it with this. So make sure they're open. These only go in one way, so make sure you get it the right way. You don't want any copper wire sticking out if you can help it. There's a little bit of copper wire sticking out there, so not a brilliant job. So do the same with this side. I'm working at a really funny angle here. So that's it. I made it a bit more harder than it should be. So brown, bottom right, blue, bottom left. I just gotta go get my electrical screwdriver now, tighten them all up and tidy it up a bit. So that's it, easy job.